Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you short work nail step by step guide. Let's start. Design number 1, gilded tips. For all the folklore fans in the house, let a thread of gold tie your look together. Number 2 design in short nail is silver glitter. Fact, it's impossible not to look down and smile when Olive and John's exclamation point in your nails. Step number design number 3, confetti glitter. New Year's might not be confetti filled bash we all deserve, but your nails don't have to know that. Next design is Daisy nails. 70s vibes are going anywhere on air or on nails. Get in on the look with Deco Miami's Stay Groovy stickers. Matcha green base are optional but encourage. Next design is hot chocolate nails. The only thing yummier than a mug of peeping hot cocoa, a mani that combines a range of chocolate shades. Next design in short nail work is mixed media, the best nail art pattern of them all this winter. Not setting on just one, play with lines, shapes, and French tip shapes. Styles for a truly one of a kind manicure. Next design in short nail work, icy tips. It's not really winter until the snow falls, at least on your fingertips. Next design is French mani. Make this year your recuening yourself with press ons if you haven't already. Next design is chrome French. The beauty of micro French tips is that they are easy to clean up with a nail brush and some remover if you go overboard. Next design is smooth shapes. 70s vibes strike again. The trick here is grounding the color palette in neutral tones or for a pattern that works all the season. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.